Good morning, students. So let's go to our review. Our previous lesson yesterday is talks about the action verb. Action verb describe that the action that the subject of the sentence perform. So I have some example here. Action verbs is crying, running, walking, jumping. So I have some example. So example of action verb is the family is eating dinner at the dining room table. So what is the action verb this sentence? Eating dinner. So the family eating dinner at dining room table. Very good. So next example of action verb is she is smiling in front of audience. So what is the action verb in this sentence? Smiling in the front of the audience. So thank you so much, students. So let's continue to our game. So who wants to excited to our game? So this game, are you excited to our game? So our game today is I called as Give Me My Name. I prepared her a random picture. So I want to identify what is this picture. It is clear? Okay, first picture. What is this? A girl. Very good. Next picture. Next picture. A market. A market. So next picture. Birthday party. And next picture. A book. And last picture we have. What is this? A love. So last picture is about love. So identify what is this picture. First picture is a girl. Girl is what? A person. Okay. Continue. Girl is a what? A person. Next picture. A market. A market what? A place. Next picture. Identify what is this picture. Love. So what is kind of love is idea. Very good. Next picture is birthday party. So birthday party is it's a part of a what? Identify what? An event. Very good. And last picture is things. Is what is this? Is a book. Very good. So this is our game. So this game is called I called Give Me My Name. So first picture is a person. Second, please. Third, idea. Fourth is event. Fifth, and it is a thing. So let's continue. Thank you so much, students. Very good, everyone, to answer our game. Very good, students. So thank you so much for your answering to our game. So let's continue to our lesson. Today is talks about the nouns. So the ones who answered earlier are connected to our lesson today, which is the what? The noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, things, idea, or an event. So, noun is a name of person, place, things, idea, or event. Example of person. Person, mother, girl, father, pastor, Angela. So I have here an example. Person is Marian Rivera. So give me an example of person. Very good. Eliza. So Eliza is a what? A person. So name of a person. Noun is a name of a person. So some example is what? Princess. Yes. Some example here is princess. So this is an example of person. Joy loves spending time with her Auntie Lorna in Paris. So what are the example of nouns? So first is Joy. Joy is a person. Auntie Lorna, it is person. And I think this is the two example of nouns. First is Paris. Paris, it is what? The place. And love is idea. So this is an example of a person, but we have two parts of example of nouns, idea and place. So let's continue to a place. A place, noun is a name of person, place, mall, plaza, market, school, Korean, church. Church is one of the example of a place. So place, plaza, your school, Tarlac Christian College, Barangay Hall, Korea. So place is a many have here in the Philippines, like Baguio, one of my favorite place. So Tagaytay, Boracay. So these are the example of place. So example of place. Place. So example of place. Bea went to Baguio for vacation. Wow! Bea went to Baguio for vacation. So what is the place in this sentence? Baguio. Yes, very good. Baguio, it is a place. Place that want to go to his place, because it is a very relaxful, and I think this is a peaceful. So next example here. So Angela went to Tagaytay for her family bonding. Wow. So Angela went to Tagaytay for what? For family bonding. So Tagaytay, it is a place. Example of place. So noun is a name of things. So example here, paper, bag, cup, flag, book, ball. So this is the example of things. So So give me an example of things. Pentel pen, scotch tape, band paper, whiteboard, okay, money, coin. So we have our this is the example of a thing. So example here. So let's proceed to things. So we have two examples. So, first example is learning to play ukulele has been very challenging. I think this is not very challenging if you want to learn how to play ukulele. But sometimes, yes, very challenging. But playing ukulele like this one is very not challenging. So, this is the C, A, F, A, C. So, it's not a challenging also. It is enjoy. So, enjoyment. Enjoying the playing ukulele, how to play, how to strum, like that. So, let's proceed. So, this example. So, what is the example here? The ukulele. Ukulele, it is a what? Things or thing. So, next example. Alden has a new phone and he shows it to his friend. So, wow, Alden. So, Alden has a what? New phone. So, new phone, it is a thing. So, this is the example of things. New noun is a name of idea. Idea, it is a love. Like this one. Love. Noun is a name of care, power or powerful, faith or faithful, loyal is loyalty. So we have many definition of idea. So idea, Jason helped Brian because of his shrimping. So what is the idea in this sentence? Idea in this sentence is help. So, Jason helped Brian because of his shrimping. So, example of idea, it is loyal or loyalty. Care, love, and so forth, so on. Noun is a name of event. So, example, oops, I'm sorry. Noun is a name of event. Birthday, family day, festival, graduation day or graduation. So, wedding day, Mansari day. And so, event is Justin went to his friend Jenny's birthday. So, event, it is the what? The Jenny's birthday. So, birthday. So, example of event is wedding, graduation, festival, or fiesta. And like birthday party. So, this is an example of event. So, this is an example of the place, idea, and also the event. So, thank you. So, okay, class, let's proceed to our activity time. So, okay, class, this is your activity. Your activity is circle the nouns that are person, underline the nouns that are place, and draw the box around the nouns that are things. Cross out the nouns that are an idea. Check the nouns that are events. So it is here. Okay, let's start. Thank you so much, students, to answering your activity. So today we learned about the nouns. It was discovered what exactly the nouns are. And here in this study, it was discovered what exactly each nouns in each sentence and what it means. And here each nouns are given a value. So we learn about the nouns and we learn what are the part of the nouns. Person, place, things, idea, and and value. So these are the five a part of nouns is important, and these are given to value to our discussion today. So let's continue to our last activity. So your activity is read the sentence, circle the nouns, and circle the nouns. What are the nouns? Person, place, things, idea, and event. So bring your activity notebooks, students, and answer this our last activity. Okay, students. So let's continue to our assignment. To your assignments. Your assignment is before that, bring your assignment notebook. So are you ready? Okay. Write each of the following nouns under its proper heading. So this is the part of our assignments. And this under the box is a place, happiness, farmland, rocket, Asia, village, arrow, courage, spider, father, Miss Bardley, and window. So this is identify or write the proper nouns or the proper hiding. So person, place, things, idea, or event. This our lesson is given are the value, and this is the lesson of our lesson today is it's important to know or to identify what are the parts of the nouns. Okay, thank you so much to listening everyone, and good day. Bye bye.